You don't need no card trick, you don't need no sleight of hand. Don't need a rabbit or a hat to help me understand. I don't need convincing, it's so easy to see. Every little thing you do is magic to me. It just comes so natural, you don't even have to try. When we touch, the fairy dust makes me wanna fly. I used to be a skeptic, but you're making me believe. Every little thing you do is magic to me. Oh, I hope you know I'd be the assistant in your Vegas show. Please don't disappear, honey, I survive on the magic in your smile. You didn't cast a spell, now you didn't wave a wand. Now you just said the magic words and poof, I was yours. Well, I think I just stumbled onto some kind of sorcery, 'cause every little thing she does, it's magic to me. Reflection, could it be any clearer? So why do you live life like you're inside a house of mirrors? But you ain't no illusion, you're the real thing. Baby, I believe in magic. Every little thing she does, it's magic to me. Every little thing. To me, every little thing. It's magic, magic to
Strange as it sounds, extraordinary magic follows you around, and the camera can't catch it. You won't see it in the mirror. If I say look behind you, you turn around, it disappears. But I see it, I see it, I swear I do, I see extraordinary magic in you. Out of thin air, you appeared in my life, like a burst of technicolor in a world of black and white. When my heart was locked inside a box, you reached inside. Now I see my future when I look into your eyes. I see it, I see it, I swear I do, I see extraordinary magic in you. I know that miracles happen, who cares what they say? So I'll keep my eyes open, awed and amazed. And if you start to doubt it, I'll remind you of the million ways I see it. I see it, I swear I do. I see extraordinary magic.